Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss triple integrals. Here are some problems to discuss. First one, evaluate triple integral xy plus yz plus zx dx dy dz where V is the region of space bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 3. And second one, evaluate triple integral 0 to 1, 0 to under root 1 minus x square, 0 to under root 1 minus x square minus y square, x, y, z, dz, dy, dx. And third one, evaluate triple integral 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. So these are the problems we are going to discuss now. First one, evaluate triple integral xy plus yz plus zx into dx dy dz. Okay, here V is, you have to integrate along the region V. This region is bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 3. So these are the limits for x and y and z. So limits for x and y are given. X is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 2 and z is equal to 0 to 3. xy plus yz plus zx plus dx dy dz. Look at x, y, z limits. So you have a constant limits. So you can perform integration with respect to x first, later with respect to y, last with respect to z. Okay, first you integrate with respect to x. So z is equal to 0 to 3, y is equal to 0 to 2. If I integrate with respect to x, we get y, we have to consider constant, z also we have to consider constant with respect to x. Yes, x square by 2y plus y z x plus z x square by 2. Limits are from 0 to 1 dy dz. We have integrated with respect to x. Now apply the limits. Z is equal to 0 to 3, y is equal to 0 to 2. Apply limit. Upper limit is 1. In place of x we have to substitute 1. 1 by 2 into y plus yz into 1 plus z by 2 into dy dz. So this is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 3. So now you have to integrate with respect to y. So 1 by 2 into y integration is y square by 2 plus y square by 2 into z plus z by 2 into y. This is the integration with respect to y. Limits for y is 0 to 2 into dz. This is equal to z. Integral z is equal to 0 to 3. Here upper limit of y is 2. 1 by 2 into 2 square is 4 by 2 plus 2 square is 4 by 2 into z plus 1 z by 2 into 2. So you will not get 0 lower limit minus 0 by something, 0 only. Okay, you get dz. This is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 3. So 2 to the 4 and 4 by 4 is 1 plus 2z plus z into dz. 2 cancel, we get z into dz. Now integrate with respect to z. So if I integrate with respect to z, integral 1 dz is z plus 2 into z square by 2 plus z square by 2, limits 0 to 3. This is equal to Now apply the limits. In place of z, you have to write 3. So 3 plus 2 cancel, 9 plus 9 by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel. By substituting upper limit z is equal to 3, we get 3 plus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9 by 2. We got this 3 plus 9 plus 9 by 2. This is equal to LCM is 2 now. 3 2s are 6 plus 18 plus 9 is equal to 6 plus 18 is 24 plus 9 is 33. 33 by 2. Therefore, triple integral V xy plus y z plus zx value is equal to, dx dy dz is equal to 33 by 2. Okay, this is about first problem. Now, second one, evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to under root 1 minus x square, integral 0 to under root 1 minus x square minus y square, x, y, z, dz, dy, dx. Okay, now we are going to find the integral value of this. Okay, now look at the limits first. So, how to identify x, y, z limits? When you look at this, you have limit 0 to under root 1 minus x square minus y square. Okay. Upper limit of this is, this contains x and y term. So, it cannot be limits for x and y. So, these are limits for z. Okay. And y is equal to 0. It cannot be x limit because upper limit contain 1 minus x term. So, it cannot be x limit. Therefore, y is equal to 0 to under root 1 minus x square. So, remaining limits are x limits. You have x limits are from 0 to 1, y limits are from 0 to under root 1 minus x square, z limits are from 0 to under root 1 minus x square minus y square. Now, integrate. So, first you have a variable limits for z and y, constant limits for x. So, you should follow this order. First integrate with respect to z, next integrate with respect to y, later you integrate with respect to x. Okay, x is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 0 to under root 1 minus x square. Now integrate with respect to z. So, xy is a constant, z integration is z square by 2. So, limits are from 0 to under root 1 minus x square minus y square into dy dx. This is equal to integral 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to under root 1 minus x square, xy. When I substitute z is equal to under root 1 minus x square minus y square whole square, z square we have, so we get 1 minus x square minus y square by 2. So, you will not get lower limit because 0 into something, 0 by something is 0. So, 0 into something you get 0. So, you will not get lower term, only upper limit only you will get. Yes, this is about the integration with respect to z. Now, so 1 by 2 we can write outside of the integral because it is a constant. 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 0 to under root 1 minus x square. Now, xy minus multiply with xy, x cube y minus xy cube into dy dx. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 into integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Now integrate with respect to y. So, if I integrate with respect to y, consider x constant, x into y integration is y square by 2 minus x cube into y square by 2 minus x into y cube integration is y power 4 by 4. Limit 0 to under root 1 minus x square into dx. Now, this is equal to 1 by 2 into integral x is equal to 0 to 1, in place of y, we need to substitute under root 1 minus x square. This value we have to substitute. X into 1 minus x square. So y square we have. So we get root square cancel. We get 1 minus x square minus x cube by 2. Here we have a y square by 2. Now here also we get 2. X cube 1 minus x square by 2 minus x into y power 4 we have. Okay, y power 4 means we get 1 minus x square whole square by 4 into dx. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 into x is equal to 0 to 1. Limits for x are 0 to 1. See, first we can simplify these two terms. Okay, multiply with x minus x cube by 2 minus x cube minus of minus plus x power 5 by, see, LCM is 2, no? So you can write like this. X minus x cube minus x cube plus x power 5 by 2 minus x into, you can expand this by using a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square, that is x power 4 minus 2ab by 4 into dx. Okay, yes. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 integral x is equal to 0 to 1 x minus x cube minus 2x cube plus x power 5 by 2 x minus 2x cube plus x power 5 by 2 minus, multiply with x, minus x into 1 is minus x minus x power 5 minus of minus plus 2x power 2x cube, x square into x square into x is 2x cube by 4 into dx. This is equal to 1 by 2 into integral x is equal to 0 to 1. LCM is 4. So 2x minus 4x cube plus 2x power 5 minus x power 5 plus 2x cube into dx. Again 1 by 4 we can write outside of the integral, that is 1 by 8. X is equal to 0 to 1. Now plus 2x power 5 minus x power 5 is x power 5. Next minus 4x cube plus 2x cube minus 2x cube plus, this is over, 2x minus x is plus x into dx. Okay, after simplification we got this. This is equal to 1 by 8. Now integrate with respect to x. X power 6 by 6 minus 2 x power 4 by 4 plus x square by 2, x integration limit 0 to 1. This is equal to 1 by 8 into, by substituting upper limit 1 we get 1 by 6 minus 2 2s are 4, yes, 2 by 4 plus 1 by 2 we get. This is equal to 1 by 8 of 1 by 6. This is 1 by 2, this is plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 gets cancelled. So you get minus 0, it becomes 1 minus 1 by 6 only we get on solving this. This is equal to 1 by 48. Therefore, triple integral x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to under root 1 minus x square, z is equal to 0 to under root 1 minus x square minus y square, x, y, z, dz, dy, dx value is 1 by 48. This is about second problem. Now third one, evaluate. Third solution, evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 1 to 2, integral 2 to 3, x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. Okay, see here in this problem, look at the limits. You have constant limits, you don't have any variable limits, so you can follow this order. You can integrate with respect to x plus y, z. So what are the limits? These are x limits, y is equal to z is equal to. So integral z is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 1 to 2. If I integrate with respect to x, we get x square by 2, and limits are from 2 to 3, dy dz. This is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 1 to 2, yz, x is 3 square by 2 minus 2 square by 2 into dy dz. I have substituted both upper limit and lower limit in place of x. So this is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 1 to 2, yz into 9 by 2 minus 4 by 2 into dy dz. This is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 1 to 2, yz 5 by 2 into dy dz. You can write 5 by 2 outside of the integral because it is a constant term. 0 to 1, y is equal to 1 to 2, yz into dy dz. Now integrate with respect to y. Y by 2, z is equal to 0 to 1, y square by 2 into z dz. Limits 1 to 2. Okay, we have integrated with respect to y. Y square by 2, limits are from 1 to 2. Now 5 by 2, integral z is equal to 0 to 1. If I substitute y is equal to 2, it is 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into z you get into dz. 5 by 2, integral z is equal to 0 to 1, 3 by 2 we get into z dz. Again 3 by 2 is a constant term. You can write outside of the integral. We get z is equal to 0 to 1, z dz. So this is equal to 15 by 4 z dz. Z integration is z square by 2 and limits are from 0 to 1. So this is equal to 15 by 4 into 1 by 2. You will not get upper limit, lower limit only you will get 1 by 2. Upper limit only you will get 1 by 2. Lower limit by substituting z value 0 you get 0. This is equal to 15 by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 15 by 8. Therefore, triple integral z is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 1 to 2, x is equal to 2 to 3, x, y, z, dx, dy, dz value is 15 by 8. Okay, this is about solution to third problem. Okay, this is about today's session. Thank you.